How's it going, guys? I'm here today to showcase a Cacio Pepe using the Flora plant-based butter and doing this for the Best of Vegan channel. Thanks for having me. All right, so I've got some just basic spaghetti noodles. I'm gonna use a half a box. We're gonna drop this in to our water that's pre-boiling, and we also pre-salted this water. All right, so now I'm prepping the garlic. We're just gonna use 3 cloves. I've got some butter I'm gonna use. This is gonna be going in for the sage. We've got a pan that's heating up over here. Okay, so we're gonna add sage to this now. I'm gonna add just a few pieces, and this is gonna build that flavor in, and then we can use the crispy sage on the Cacio Pepe. And I'm gonna add garlic at the end to that as well. Give the pasta just a light stir so that the noodles don't get too clumped up. I got my minced garlic. I'm gonna now add this in with the butter and the sage into the brown butter sauce. So I'm gonna add this in. I'm gonna reserve maybe 50% of the garlic as well. We're gonna add that in with the pasta. With the pasta. And this aroma coming off of here is just next level. So this is gonna be in addition to the pasta along with the Parmesan cheese. The pasta is now looking about perfect. It's slightly undercooked, which is fine because we're going to be using this in the pan with all the other goodies. There we go. We're going to put this garlic that I reserved in there. We're going to add in 2 tablespoons of butter into this. And we got some of this pasta water we're going to add in. And then once you hit that point, we're just going to take it off of the heat and let it rest so it doesn't overcook. Adding a little more pasta water. And the pasta water is going to hold all that sauce together that we're building. The Parmesan that we got at the store. We're going to be adding that in. Keep it moving along. Tons of cheese. And just add that in pretty liberally. And keep tossing it. And then we're going to come in with black pepper now. So you can just go pretty heavy-handed on here. This is what it's all about. It's about cheese and pepper. And obviously a delicious butter to work with. It's going to bring all that together. So we just went pretty heavy on that. I'm going to bring it back over the heat for a second and get that all worked in together. And then we can pull it back from the heat, and then we're good to go.